What is up, y'all? It's your girl Shanelle.janai from around the way. Hey, and I am back with another freaking video. And this video is a little bit different. It's not a tutorial. I just wanted to share with you guys an experience that I went on. So yeah. So if you have seen any of my previous videos, whether that be on here, YouTube, or if you've seen it on my Instagram, which is Heart on My Sleeve, then you have seen how I pretty much will take a synthetic wig, lay it really well so that it looks really natural. So I've been getting a lot of love and support for those videos, so I want to thank you guys so much for that. I went ahead and did a friend of mine's hair. She had a synthetic wig, so what I did was finesse her wig. I finessed her wig, and so that's what I'm going to share with you guys. I don't want to take up too much time. This is going to be a really short video. Why am I talking so fast? I don't know. But sit back, relax, and enjoy the rest of the show. Alright? Okay, bye-bye. Bye. Bye. The first thing that I did was braid up her hair. Braiding up your hair under your wigs is the best thing to do, but it really doesn't matter. I mean, I've seen people wrap their hair up. I've seen people just put it in a ponytail. So it's no right or wrong way to do it, but I will say braiding it is the best. It keeps it nice and flat and protects your hair in a way as well. So the number of braids does not matter, the pattern does not matter. But what I did was I did like a single braid, then I did two braids that went into one, two braids that went into one. And the main point is, if you have a wig with the closure and you know where the part is on the closure, make sure that you part your hair in that same spot. You want the part on the wig to match the part in your hair. So that's why you'll see that I parted her hair down the middle, just like the wig is parted down the middle. So the next thing that I did was I put the wig on her hair so you can actually see how it looks when the wig is just set on your head, which is what people would do when they buy the wig instead of actually trying to finesse it.
7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
You'll never have the sacred stone.
Oh, this you crazy mother.
That you guys enjoyed this short video. Like I said, this was not a tutorial. If you really want to see in detail how I truly lay and finesse my synthetic wigs, then please go and watch my previous video before this one, or you can click the link above me as well, take you directly to it, and that is where you will see where I in detail discuss how I did it and show you how I did it from beginning to end. I just wanted to share with you my experience of doing it for someone else instead of myself, and to show you another style, another synthetic wig. I'm so sorry that I don't have the brand that particular wig. She just happened to not keep the package that it came in. If you enjoyed this video, be sure to give it a huge thumbs up. And if you're new to my channel, hit that subscribe button down below, girl. Show me some love. Show me some support. And I will see you guys later with another video.